These days are dreams. We wish and the next day they come true, doesn't it? Today's technology is the genie who grants our wishes. We point our Google Lens to order a product. We sit back to relax and Tesla takes us to the destination. Amazing, isn't it? Technology has been a boon to us. Did you ever think it would become a goon one day? Well, maybe. Deepfake. The technology in which a person in an existing image or video is replaced with someone else's likeness. Amazing, isn't it? Or scary? David Beckham's face was deepfaked once in a malaria campaign to make him speak 9 different languages, amazingly.
Malaria isn't just any disease. It's the deadliest disease there's ever been.
وما زالت تقتل طفلاً كل دقيقتين.
We're using AI to do what we call visual synthesis.
Another time, a video of Nancy Pelosi, an American Democrat, was deepfaked to make her look drunk and politically abused it. Scary, right? That's the technology in front of us, making our lives easy and challenging at the same time. But the question is, what technology lies behind the screen of deepfake and how are they created? How can we recognize the deepfake from the real one? Which deepfakes have amused and terrified the internet the most? Alright, no further delay. Let's get straight into the course and get ready for the future. Ready? Let's go.